So to conclude, my beliefs before the project were that, I knew the impacts that social media has had on the world around us. And I have thought about, how it can lower our self-esteems and how we can, you know, how it can impact our educational um perceptions and things of that nature, but I've never. So after the project, it gave me more perspective. I saw the like how in depth social media can influence us, and it does have an emotional, more of an emotional toll than I originally thought, because it's not just our emotions as far as like how we feel about ourselves, but it's also about how we feel about other people. It's about, how we perceive the world at large. It's not just how we perceive it within ourselves. So I thought that that was very important. It gives perspective also on how, other people, why other people view others the way that they do. And I'm not going to say brainwashing. Social media is brainwashing, but it can be. And I never really looked at it from that perspective. Since, people, when people like something, they tend to look at the positive aspects of it more so than the negative. So this project gave me more perspective, and I got to see the positive, but more so than negative aspects of social media and how it influences um, those around. I also got to correlate social media and the concepts that we have learned this week, which was very informative, because when you're learning things in class and things like that, you kind of look at it from a tunnel vision, but this kind of gave it an example of something that is near and relatable. So I thought that that was also um good when completing this project. So overall, I have learned a lot from this, and it has changed my perspectives. So here are my references, and thank you for listening.